Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you this brand new security camera from the company Reolink. This one is a C2 Pro. It's a 5 megapixel Super HD wireless security camera with night vision to see in the dark and two-way audio, so through the app you can hear what's going on and also talk to whoever is in front of the camera. Now this camera is what they call a PTZ camera, which stands for pan, tilt and zoom. So this unit is motorized for you to pan and tilt the camera, and it has a 3x optical zoom. In this video I will show you what comes with this camera and show you how to set it up. We'll look at the live view and go over the features offered on this camera. Let's start with the unboxing of this Reolink C2 Pro camera. Quick start guide, installation template, security sticker, Ethernet cable, USB cable, AC adapter, mounting bracket, and here's a Reolink C2 Pro camera. Here's a look at everything that comes with this camera. Let's have a closer look at the C2 Pro wireless camera. On the front is a 5 megapixel super high definition camera with a resolution of 2560 by 1920. Above the camera is a photo cell to detect daytime or nighttime to turn on the night vision. At the bottom here is a microphone. Over here are the two LED status lights. On the side is a speaker. Looking at the back, there are two Wi-Fi antennas. Now this camera is compatible with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi system. On the bottom we have the Ethernet connector that you'll use to connect to your router for initial setup. Next to it is a microSD memory card slot. If you install a memory card into this camera, then it's able to record short video clips. On the right side is a micro USB connector for powering up this dash cam. On this side there's a reset switch. Now this camera is able to pan left and right 355 degrees and tilt up and down 105 degrees. You can place this camera on a tabletop. If you want to mount it on a wall, use the included bracket that you see right here. Screw this end onto the bottom of the camera. And then you can loosen this, adjust the angle, and using the included screws and template, mount this side of the bracket onto the wall. Here I'll install a memory card. Now the memory card is not included, so you do have to provide your own. Next we'll connect the power cable to the camera. Now this power cable is 10 feet long, so it'll have enough length to reach your AC outlet. Now for the initial setup, you do need to connect the camera to your home router. Now I'm going to power it up. Next, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for the app Reolink. Install it. To perform the initial setup of the camera, open up the Reolink app and also turn on the Wi-Fi on your mobile device so it's connected to the same wireless access point as the one you'll use for the camera. Now on my app, you'll see there are several cameras already. These are connected to the Reolink NVR system. To add this new camera to the app, press the plus button right here. Now you can scan the QR code that's at the bottom of the camera. So I found this camera one, which is a C2 Pro. Select it. Here you'll need to create a login password. You can assign a name to this camera. Select the Wi-Fi you'll be using to connect this camera. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Initialization finished. So now this camera is set up to connect to your Wi-Fi access point. So here you're looking at the live view. If you rotate your phone, there's a landscape view. At the bottom, if you press a PTZ button, you can use this joystick to pan and tilt, push it up to tilt. Bring it down. Move it to the right. Move it to the left. There's also a zoom button right here. If you want to use a two-way audio, press the talk button right here. Hello?
Hello?
This is a test.
This is a test.
Below the live video, there are a couple of buttons here. You can pause the live video. You can take a snapshot, and it'll be saved onto your phone. You can also record the live video that you're watching, and that'll be saved onto your phone. This button here will allow you to select Fluent, Balance, or 5 megapixel resolution. With this button, you can select color, black and white, or auto. Now right now the speaker on the app is not turned on. If you tap on that, you'll be able to hear the audio. This is a test.
This is a test.
Now with the memory card installed, anytime it detects motion, it will record a short video clip. To play back the recorded video, press the playback button right here. At the bottom here are all the recorded video clips. If you select it, it'll play back the video. You can also download it. On this timeline, you can also select the specific dates. At this time, you can disconnect the Ethernet cable and place this camera anywhere in your home. Here I place the camera above the fireplace in my living room. Here's a look at the live view of my living room. You can zoom in. Zoom out. You can put this in your baby's room and use it as a baby monitor. And here's a look at the video on the app. You can also use this camera as a security camera. Here I've placed it in my garage. I can check the live view on the app to see if my garage door is left open or if anything was to happen. The motion detection will be triggered and a short video clip will be recorded. With the night vision, you'll be able to see the image clearly even with no lights. Overall, this Reolink C2 Pro camera performed very well. With a high definition video, you get a very nice clear image for both daytime and nighttime. Once you have it configured, you can place this anywhere in your home. With a pan, tilt, and zoom function along with a night vision, this camera is perfect for use as a baby monitor or as a security camera for your home. You can even use it to monitor your pets. Now one thing to note is this camera is not an outdoor camera, so make sure you don't put it in a location where it can get wet. If you install a microSD memory card, the camera will detect any motion and record a short video clip. Through the app, you can review these video clips and download it onto your phone. Now there are no monthly fees you gotta pay, which is very good. So if you're looking for a Wi-Fi camera that has a nice clear image for both daytime and nighttime, and the ability to pan and tilt, I definitely recommend this Reolink C2 Pro camera. Now if you want to know where you can pick one up, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on a thumbs up and click on that notification bell so you get notified of new videos.